Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Photoshop and your operating system are compatible. This avoids surprises. Next, open Google Fonts, select Styles, and download the zip. Once downloaded, extract the zip to a clear folder and locate TTF or OTT files. Make sure Photoshop is closed so the system font cache updates correctly. If you use Adobe fonts, note that those sync differently. Here you're installing local Google font files for direct use within Photoshop. Now install the extracted font files into the operating system so Photoshop can see them. On Windows, right-click the TTF or OTT and choose Install or Install for all users. On Mac, double-click and use Fontbook to add. After installing, open your System Font Manager to confirm the family shows up and that multiple weights are present. Once done, restart Photoshop. This forces Photoshop's font list to refresh and prevents missing font issues when you reopen your document. Open Photoshop and select the Type tool. Search for the newly installed Google font by name and apply it to your text layer. If you don't see the font, first restart Photoshop, then your computer. Make sure the font file wasn't corrupted during download. If problems persist, clear Photoshop's font cache or remove duplicate font installations using Fontbook or Windows fonts to prevent conflicts. Once the font appears, adjust kerning, size, and weight, then save your file with fonts embedded or outline text for sharing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.